Hi, this is Julie from WowToyz, and today I would like to introduce the Easy Build 3D Puzzle Kit series from WowToyz, where you build your own detailed collectible using sturdy plastic interlocking pieces. No need to paint, no need to glue, everything you need is included. Here we have the SR-71 Blackbird, measuring approximately 5.5 inches long once complete. With 32 pieces, it's fun and challenging for ages 8 and up. Instructions are included for your reference, but the challenge of putting it together is part of the fun. Separate the pieces into similar piles by shape or size. That's a good place to start. And because it is a puzzle, remember, you can even take it apart and put it together again. See how fast you can put it together each time. The SR-71 was the first operational aircraft designed with a stealthy shape and materials. The two-man tandem crew included the pilot in the forward cockpit and the reconnaissance systems officer monitoring the surveillance systems and equipment from the rear cockpit. The SR-71 originated in 1959 as a strategic reconnaissance aircraft, hence the SR designation. It served the United States Air Force from 1964 to 1998. A total of 32 were built, 12 were lost in accidents, and none were lost in enemy action. Since 1976, it has held the world record for the fastest non-experimental manned aircraft, reaching supersonic speeds of up to Mach 3.2. The SR-71 was designed to minimize its cross-section on enemy radar. Finished aircraft were painted a dark blue, almost black, to increase emission of internal heat and to act as a camouflage against the night sky. The dark color led to the aircraft's call sign, Blackbird. You will notice the thin lines on your puzzle pieces here, reaching heights of 80 to 100,000 feet. The high temperatures generated during flight required special design and operating techniques. These portions of their wings were corrugated, not smooth. The heat of flight would have caused smooth skin to split or curl, but the corrugated skin could expand vertically and horizontally. Flying at these heights also meant that crews could not use standard masks because they would not provide enough oxygen above 43,000 feet. Protective pressurized suits were used, similar to those used by NASA astronauts on space missions. You'll also notice your puzzle can be built with or without landing gear. Small pieces are supplied to close the holes when not using the landing gear and can be mounted on the stand either way. SR-71s temporarily were retired in the early 90s. In 1994, at least 3 resumed service due to the lack of reconnaissance aircraft at the time, and then retired for good in 1998. Now you can enjoy your very own SR-71 Blackbird replica. Thank you for joining us, and come back for the next session of our Easy Build 3D puzzle kits.